Hello, my name is Manuel, one of the founders of Vegan Gastronomy, and I'm here in what I call the Valley of Wisdom. It's a park in Sydney, Australia, where you get lots of great ideas, and I want to share with you a great idea. I recently was in Bali, in Indonesia, and I had gone there to celebrate a partner friend's birthday, and we went to a restaurant called Room for Dessert. Famous restaurant. It was showed on chef's dinner table, the chef's table, and the chef's name was Will Goldfarb, and he created a restaurant called Room for Dessert. We obviously have a passion for desserts and making things vegan, so we went to his restaurant. I had an experience there that really opened up myself, and it took a while to think about it, and now I want to actually implement it. We sat down for this tasting menu of savory entree style stuff before the desserts, and one of the last ones he gave us was what looked like a little cup of coffee. It looked like an Irish cup of coffee, they said. It had foam on the top, and he was so great in explaining what we were getting stuff. And this one was a surprise. We were going to be surprised as to what it was. And I thought, okay, is this like a caffeine-free coffee? What was it? And so we took a sip of this thing, and it was coffee. It was really crazy. It was coffee. But I want to applaud him, and I want to thank you, Will Goldfarb, for showing us this. It wasn't coffee. It was made from onions. It was an onion soup that he had flavored and spiced and treated in such a way where you thought you were drinking coffee. It was crazy. He did something where he took something so basic, an onion, and he turned it around and did something pretty amazing for it at a fine dining restaurant. Thank you, Will. Thank you so much for showing us that. And so that's what we wanted to talk about today. We want to talk about an ingredient that we all know as corn. Right now, the United States and China are going through this crazy trade war where they're trying to block agriculture, and I'm sure corn farmers around the world, and especially the United States, are going to be a little hurt. So I think it's time that we as a group, people out there that are thinking progressively, and those that follow us, I think it's time that we really do it. And so on our channel, we have a quick rule. If you subscribe to our channel and comment and add your feedback to these videos, if we choose your comment or feedback at the end of the month, you can win 250 euros. What's that equivalent to? Lots of product you can buy, or you can actually take an online course. We have a couple people that are doing this, taking some of our online courses. So just a reminder, subscribe and then do that. So what am I going to talk about corn? Corn is a basic product. My mother, a Spaniard, when we were kids, used to say, oh, that's pig food. And I thought, that's kind of crazy because this food's kind of great. Certain countries had problems with genetically modified corn, but in overall, this ingredient is cheap. It's usually overlooked, and there's so much we can do with it. And so that's what this challenge is of this video. Just like Will Goldfarb made coffee out of onions. Let's see how we as a group can get together and comment and add things on this video right now. Give us comments and posts. What have you paired corn with that is absolutely delicious? Last night we had dinner, and somebody said, well, you can really mix corn together with raspberries, and it's really delicious dessert. And I thought, well, that's kind of curious, so maybe we can make a corn raspberry cheesecake. Other comments were, oh, if you put corn together with curry, it makes a great ice cream. And I thought, well, that's really clever. So I'm reaching out to every one of you out there. I'm reaching out to you as Vegan Gastronomy on our channel right here. Post in these comments what great ideas you have, and let my instructors or myself, let us come up with making that recipe into an incredible thing that we add to our school. We love those inputs of taking simple, low-cost ingredients and turning them into amazing dishes, because we can put things together that can motivate those farmers in the United States that are going to have problems agriculturally and selling that, how to sell corn to some of the simplest restaurants to make a great vegan dish that can show up as a pastry, as a savory dish, or even a cup of coffee. Show up on anyone's dish and still use that great ingredient called corn. So let's not give up on that ingredient. Let's go back to those ancient times, where in the United States they were dining with the Indians to appreciate their culture and to have their corn. Thanks to Mexico, thanks to Will Goldfarb, and thanks to all of you. Please comment, please subscribe to this channel, and give us your opinion. Give us what you would do with corn. I've got some crazy ideas. We figured out how to make a vegan chicken breast with corn. We'll show you how soon. Post your recipes on there, post what you think you can do, and Will, I challenge you, if you can do it as well. All right, take care, bye.